12 Archetypes. 1 Destiny. Free archetype reading reveals your personality quirks, innate talents, and hidden weaknesses. What's your name? Continue. Here's what others think about their archetype readings. Individuals of various archetypes have experienced major differences in their lives after encountering their archetype readings. Helped me realize what my sole purpose on this earth is. This reading really helped me realize what my sole purpose on this earth is. It's very accurate and right on point, and I would recommend it to anyone who feels like they have lost their way. Misty Thompson, 42, homemaker, caregiver. It reassured me of who I could be. I had doubts about who I was, even though I had a vague idea of who I really wanted to be. Suddenly, I found myself engrossed in individualist. It reassured me of who I could be, and how I can be that person, showing numerous possibilities of what I could achieve. Vivian Gozi Jensen, 34, self-employed hero. I now live a more purposeful life. Although the journey came together with obstacles and numerous challenges, equipping me with the learnings for a bigger breakthrough. I only plan for this journey to succeed and hope to gain knowledge and blessings. Duologist team. Marcus Koo, 33, entrepreneur member. Home terms and